Schoology is the platform that the third grade teachers at Southern Elementary will be using to launch the in-classroom flipped, to launch the technology initiative that we are trying to achieve. So this is the course for my students. They would come to the third grade math folder under their courses tab, and they would find my name because I am their teacher. There will be some information about what this course is all about here, some getting started activities that will tell them what the classroom rules are, how to get in touch with the teacher, and then they would go through, they can set some math goals for themselves for this unit, things that they want to achieve, because we always want them thinking about what they're going to be thinking about as they're thinking about it. And then they would click on the module for Unit 3. That would be the first module that we're using for the in-classroom flip. They would click there, and within that folder they would see the assignments according to day. So they could click on the Day 1 folder, and within there the first thing they would do is to take a pre-assessment, and this pre-assessment is a quiz that they would take that has addition problems. They would solve these problems, and then the teachers will use this information to formulate their groups, because the small groups that will be given instruction will be all ability-based groups. From there, once they take the pre-assessment, they will watch the video that walks them through the day's strategy. How do they solve addition problems? What strategies do they use? What are the names of the strategies? How do they apply them? So basically, it's the whole group instruction that would have happened that's been summarized and put into a video that they can find online. Once they are finished watching that video, they will actually apply it by solving addition problems. This folder here will lead them to a PDF, and they will answer the problems on the PDF. And then they also, when they're finished solving the problems, they'll take one of those problems and they would add them to our Padlet, which has been built into Schoology. They could just double click and show how they solved a problem right there online. Once they are finished that, then they can move on to the next topic, which would be a discussion board. And here's where they can collaborate with their peers, talking about efficient strategies that can be used when you're adding. They also have, if they go back out to the course, for example, if they forget how to submit the assignment in Schoology, or how to create a video, how to add something to a Padlet, there's been a resource folder that's been created for the students. And within this resource folder, they can have links to videos that we've provided for them. So under the library resources folder, they'll get a Symbaloo. If they click on the Symbaloo, it's links to different areas where they can practice their addition skills, different websites, different links. There are links to instructional videos that maybe they've seen before. They need to go back and they need to refresh. So this is a Symbaloo that they'd have access to practice their skills as we're learning. And then they also have a Schoology help folder. If they forget how to take a quiz, they can click right there and find out how to get some help in the discussion board, how to complete an assignment, how to change their picture if they decided to with their profile. So there's all kinds of different resources here for the students to watch at their own time instead of interrupting the teacher when she is conducting a small group. So overall, that's the platform. Here's just a brief look at what it will look like, and the modules will be built throughout this Schoology course as the year progresses.